And now the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 0015 on Tuesday the 25th of July. There are warnings of gales in Viking and north at Sira. The general synopsis at 1800. Low Sweden 993, expected Norway 993 by 1800 Tuesday. The area forecasts for the next 24 hours. Viking north at Sira. Northerly or northwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 to gale 8. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. South at Sira. Westerly or northwesterly 4 to 6, increasing 6 or 7 later, perhaps gale 8 later. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. 40s Cromarty. Northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 later in northeast 40s. Showers, rain later in 40s. Good, occasionally poor. 4th Tyne Dogger. Northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 at times in 4th and Tyne. Occasionally 6 later in Dogger. Showers, perhaps thundery later. Good, occasionally poor later. Fisher German Bight. Northwesterly 4 to 6, occasionally 7 in northeast Fisher. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery later in German Bight. Good, occasionally poor later. Humber Thames. North backing west 3 to 5. Showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. Dover White. Northeast backing west 3 to 5. Rain or showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. Portland Plymouth Biscay. Northwest backing west or southwest 3 to 5. Occasionally 6 at first in Biscay. Showers, perhaps thundery. Good, occasionally poor. Trafalgar, South Fitzroy. Northerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in east. Showers, good. North Fitzroy, Seoul. Westerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 at first in west. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Lundy Fastnet. Northwest becoming variable, then west or southwest later 3 to 5. Showers, good. Irish Sea. West or northwest, backing southwest later 3 to 5. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Shannon. West or southwest 3 to 5. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Rockall. South or southwest 3 to 5. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Malin Hebrides. West or northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 4 at first in Hebrides and later in Malin. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Bailey. Variable 2 to 4. Showers, good. Fair Isle Faroes. Northerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, occasionally 6 in East Fair Isle. Rain or showers, good, occasionally moderate. Southeast Iceland. Variable 3 or 4, becoming northeasterly 4 or 5 for a time. Rain or showers, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports from coastal stations for 2300. Tyree Automatic. Northwest 3. Slight rain. 15 miles, 1011, rising slowly. Stornoway. Northwest by west 3. Recent rain. 24 miles, 1008, falling slowly. Lerwick. North 3. Slight drizzle and rain. 27 miles, 1005, rising slowly. Wick Automatic. West-southwest 1. Recent drizzle. 11 miles, 1007, falling slowly. Aberdeen. Northwest by west 2. Slight drizzle and rain. 15 miles, 1007, now falling. Lucas. West 1. 32 miles, 1008, rising slowly. Boomer. Southwest by south 1. Recent drizzle. 1 mile, 1008, rising slowly. Bridlington. Northwest by north 2. 1008, rising more slowly. Sandetti Light Vessel Automatic. Northeast 4. 11 miles, 1008. St Catherine's Point Automatic. North-northeast 1, 1008, rising more slowly. Jersey, north by west 4, 12 miles, 1008, rising slowly. Channel Light Vessel Automatic, north by west 4, 1009. Scilly Automatic, west-northwest 3, 13 miles, 1013, rising slowly. Milford Haven, northwest 3, more than 38 miles, 1011, rising more slowly. Aberporth, northwest 4, more than 38 miles, 1011, rising slowly. Valley, west by north 1, 35 miles, 1011, now falling. Liverpool Crosby, west-northwest 4, 35 miles, 1010, rising slowly. Valencia, northeast by east 1, 24 miles, 1014, now falling. Ronaldsway, northwest 2, 1010, now falling. Malin Head, northwest by north 4, 16 miles, 1012, rising more slowly. Machrihanish Automatic, northwest by north 4, 16 miles, 1010, rising slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 2300 on Monday the 24th of July. The general situation: northerly or northwesterly winds will gradually back southwesterly from the west as a transient ridge of high pressure begins to push eastwards across the United Kingdom throughout the next 24 hours. Occasional showers, perhaps thundery for a time in the east. Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney. Northwesterly 3 to 5. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed. Westerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4 for a time, then veering northerly or northwesterly later. Showers, perhaps thundery later, good, occasionally poor later. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby. Variable 2 to 4, becoming west or northwest 3 to 5 at times. Showers, perhaps thundery later, good, occasionally poor later. Whitby to Gibraltar Point. Variable 2 to 4, becoming northwest 4 or 5 later. Showers, perhaps thundery later, good, occasionally poor later. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland. Northerly, becoming variable 2 to 4, then westerly 3 to 5 later. Showers, perhaps thundery later, good, occasionally poor later. North Foreland to Selsey Bill. Northerly, becoming variable for a time 2 to 4, backing westerly or southwesterly 3 to 5. Rain, then showers, perhaps thundery later, good, occasionally poor. Selsey Bill to Lyme Regis. North 3 or 4, backing west 3 to 5, then veering northwest 3 or 4 later. Showers until later, good, occasionally poor. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly. West or northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4 at times. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel. Variable, becoming northwesterly 2 to 4, occasionally 5 in north, then backing westerly or southwesterly 2 to 4 later. Showers, good, occasionally poor at first. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel. Northwesterly, backing southwesterly later 2 to 4, occasionally 5 later in far northeast. Showers at first, good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway. Northwest, backing west later 3 to 5. Showers, good. Isle of Man. Northwest, backing west, then southwest later 3 or 4. Fair, good. Loch Foyle to Carlingford Loch. Northwest, becoming variable 2 to 4. Showers, good, occasionally poor later. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel. Northerly or northwesterly 3 to 5, becoming variable 2 to 4 later. Showers, good, occasionally poor later. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan Point. Northwest 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first, becoming variable 3 or less later. Showers, good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan Point to Cape Wrath. Northwest 3 to 5, becoming variable 3 or less. Showers, occasionally rain at first, good, occasionally poor at first. And the Shetland Isles. North or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Occasional rain or showers, good, occasionally moderate. And that completes the shipping bulletin. And it also brings us to the end of our day's broadcasting here on Radio 4. So all that's left is for me, Danielle Yawowiecka, to thank you very much for your company this evening. And on behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House in London, wish you a happy and peaceful night. Good night.